Hi there, my name's Dan from Seaford MG, and today I want to show you a quick video presentation of this Chill Silver Metallic Kuga on a 2010 registration plate. This 2010 model is the titanium specification and is the all-wheel drive variant, and it has done just 49,785 miles from new. The titanium spec boasts a large array of specification, which include 18-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors. Internally, the car has got satellite navigation, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, DAB radio and electric mirror adjustment. The car also boasts from tinted windows, which is part of the rear privacy glass package. And like mentioned, not only front parking sensors, but the rear parking sensors too. If you'd like any more information on this car or a personalised video, contact us at Seaford MG on 01323 898 818.